Hello all, in this section we will be seeing about the images and how to add images to our HTML page. Okay, so images are very important to beautify as well as to depict many complex concepts in simple way on your web page. So using this tutorial we will be able to add some images to our web pages. Okay, so for adding the image to our web page, so first we need to go back to our project folder and we need to create one more folder called as images. Okay, so I already downloaded and kept some image for the time being. I'm taking that from resources, images. Okay, I've downloaded these images. Okay, so I'll copy these images to my project folder. Okay, fine, and I'll rename this to image1, okay, for better understanding, img1 and img2. Okay, now how will we be able to add the image? Okay, so for adding the image we need to use, okay, for adding we need to use img tag followed by src equal to double quotes, okay, and closing the image tag, and I'll mention it is inside the, okay, so I'll the best way is to go inside that and just click here. Okay, images, click here, and it's already, my code is already inside the HTML, so I just need to take it as inside resources. No, I have to go to desktop, my project folder. Okay, so inside project folder. Okay, inside project, inside images. Okay, so I'll give images, again slash img1, and I need to check the extension of the image, of what type the image is. I'll go to property and it's JPEG. Okay, so I'll write img1.jpg. okay, and we'll see whether the image is getting displayed on the screen. Okay, it doesn't display on screen, so we'll see what the reason is. Okay, so the reason being, this file index is inside. Okay, so if we go back to our project folder, inside project folder we have images. Okay, so there isn't any need of giving this slash symbol, it's already inside that particular directory. Okay, so if you remove that backslash you can get the image. Okay, so no need to mention that particular slash symbol, so you can just give image slash, already inside that particular folder. Okay, so you not come out from that. Okay, so just need to go inside. Okay, inside images, the first file img1.jpg. okay, so this way you can actually insert a image to your HTML document. Okay, and this is how it is, img src equal to the path followed by the alt attribute. Okay, so what the alt attribute does is, so there are two attributes for this img tag. Okay, we are giving two extra information telling the source of the image. We can find the image in this particular location, and alt attribute is mandatory attribute which specify an alternate text for an image if the image cannot be displayed. For example, there is no image called as image4 in my folder, and I'll write alt equal to image not found, image not found. Now I'll go back and we'll refresh and see what happens. So we'll refresh and see there is no image called as image4, so the message, the text what was written inside, or the value which was given to the alt property was displayed, that is image doesn't or couldn't be found. Okay, so I'll remove that. Okay, I'll remove that and I'll make it, I'll remove this. Okay, so I'll change this to img1. Okay, and so we'll get back the particular image. Okay, fine. Okay, so next thing what we'll do is, like, so we have different kinds of extensions for this images, like PNG, portable network graphics, or joint photographers, experts group, or geography, this GIF image. Okay, so graphics graphically interchangeable format. Okay, so all these kinds of extensions can be used with the what the image is. Okay, and you can actually set image location, like as I said before, like the path. Okay, the location actually deals with the path where the image can be found. If you have some other path where we have some other set of image, you can change this path to that particular path. Okay, fine. And again, if you want to reduce your image size, for example, if you want to set your width of your image, width and height, I'm changing the width to maybe 300. Okay, width to 300 and height property also to 300. I'll just mention px. Okay, px, and this also to 300 px. Let's see what happens. Okay, go back and okay, so the image got the size was reshaped into another size. Okay, I'll just resize into 250. Okay, 250 and 250. It is always good to keep the images in the original size. Okay, it's better to keep the image in the original size. Okay, but if you want to if you have a particular purpose, like if you want to bring in more number of images and if you want to reduce the size, you can actually give the width and height property. Okay, and then if you want to give a border to the image, you can actually do that. Okay, by using the border attribute. Okay, for example, like I can give like border, I'll write in between. Okay, border equal to 3. Okay, so border equal to 3, so it gets a thick border. If you give some more thicker value, it will give you, for clear understanding, giving 10, and I'll go back and I'll refresh. Okay, so it gives a much more thicker border. So if you want to give border to your image, it is also possible. And if you want to align your image, that is also possible. For example, if you want to bring your image to the center, you can give maybe align equal to, I'll bring it to right. Okay, align equal to right, and we will refresh and see if it is coming to right. So this comes on right side. Okay, so you can actually insert the image using the img tag and source using the src and alt attribute. You can reshape the image, you can change the image location, you can bring in images which is saved in different locations by changing the path, and if you want to give a border to your image is also possible. Okay.